Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, today I will be doing another wig update for you guys. Now, before I dig into the whole situation, y'all can probably already tell by my face in the previous clip how this video is already gonna go. But before I get into details, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below for more amazing content. And yeah, let's get this done and over with. So long story short, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is by Sensationnel Empress, and it is their custom lace wig boutique bundles, and they style sleek straight. Now, I've been wearing this hair, I would say, for about maybe like a week and a half, 2 weeks. Honestly, this has been like the longest time of my life. And yo, I thought the Sensational Jostling unit was a hot mess. Now, if y'all don't know what I'm referring to, definitely click the link up there for that video, because basically this wig and that wig is basically a tie in like the worst wigs that I purchased in 2019 so far. So long story short, I got the unit. The first 2-3 days was really nice. I did notice a little bit of tingling towards the bottom, but since the unit's super long, I was like, you know what, it's a long unit, whatever have you. But I started noticing that the hair was getting frizzy. Like, it looked like a hot mess. I dead kept like struggling to just brush it. And mind you, I brush from the ends up to my scalp. Like, I know how I'm supposed to brush hair. I know what I'm doing, right? So then it just ended up being like crazy. Like, the way the hair was acting and the way the hair felt, because I feel like in a weird way the yucky texture kind of turned into crap too, because it's just like the way the hair felt, it felt like I already had a wig for like a week or two, like a wavy unit or something, and I decided to straighten it. Like, that's how the wig was basically acting. So it wasn't even a whole week on my head yet, and it was already acting like that. And I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, are you serious? Mind you, I try my hardest to make sure I at least wear a wig for 2 weeks, just to give like the raw nitty gritty, like, all right, this wig is crap, or all right, this wig is good. But honestly guys, like, I swear, if y'all buy this wig, that is your fault. I warned you. If you don't want to listen to me, that is on you. That is none of my business. But this wig is crap. No. So what ended up happening was I really tried to hold on and not straighten it or to do too much manipulation to it, just because I wanted you guys to see like the raw deal, like, all right, this is what it looks like. But I ended up giving in. I ended up straightening it. The only thing I put on the hair when I was straightening it was a little bit of water. I put a little bit of, like, I used a spray bottle, put spray water on it, not till it was like drenching wet, but just a little bit like moist. Brushed it out, straighten it. It was fine, but then like I would say like 2 or 3 hours later, it started tangling up again, and I'm like, so long story short, the only pro I could say about this hair is that it's my new workout wig. Because, I mean, look, it is what it is. I needed a new workout wig anyway, so I guess, you know, God answers, you know, what you need in weird ways sometimes, and I guess this is just one of those weird ways. But one thing I could definitely say about the hair is I really do like how flat this hair lays, because I don't even have my glue on right now. And again, the party space was good. So excuse the hot mess. I know I look crazy, but whatever. But as I'm editing the video, I realized that I still have like a little bit of Got2b glue gel on my forehead. Like, I don't know if it's the left side or the right side at this point. I don't care. I'm tired. But basically, I already wore the new wig that I'm gonna be doing an initial review for. That one's going to be up hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday. But basically, that's the reason why you see a little bit of that on there, is because I already wore that wig, and then I plopped on the black one to basically sit down and film the update video, basically. So yeah, that's what that situation was, if anybody was wondering. I really like how good the hair lays down flat, because that's really something that I need, especially if this is going to be my workout wig, because of course when I work out I'm going to sweat, so using Got2b glue gel isn't a good idea whatsoever. But that's pretty much the only pro I can say with this hair. I do like the fact that for the most part for a synthetic unit. Even though synthetic units tend to look a little bulky when you tie them behind your ears and stuff, it actually lays really flat, so I like that. But this is basically what the hair looks like in a ponytail. Let me get close up so y'all can see this situation. But like, this is what the hair basically looks like as of now. And it's just, and mind you, I've straightened this hair multiple times between the first time I straightened it, which I would say was like a week ago, until now. And it's basically just the same thing. Like, look at this. Granted, like, obviously, since this is my workout wig, I'll either wear this hair in a ponytail or I'll wear it in a bun, but I'll comb it out or brush it out. Like, once you brush it out, it's fine, believe it or not. But it's gonna end up looking a hot mess within like an hour again and look clumpy like this again. So that's why in this video as well, my hair is tied back, because I just do not have the time and energy anymore to invest in this particular unit to make it look cute down or anything like that. Again, I'm literally just gonna be putting this drawing in a ponytail or like in a cute bun. And I mean, in a way it works when it's stiff. Why? Because I need it to be in a cute bun when I go to the gym. So again, this is like the, if y'all need a perfect workout wig, then get this wig. Like, look, I didn't even have to put another ponytail, no bobby pins or nothing, and this drawing's sticking. Look at that. Okay, for the most part, yeah, this drawing's sticking. So again, perfect for a workout wig, but other than that, no. No, like, if you all want to make this your everyday wig, it's not gonna last you more than a week. I'm warning you now. Like I said before, if you decide after you see this video that you want to sit up here and purchase it anyway, that's on you. I don't even remember how much I even paid for this. I know it wasn't 30 bucks. I know it was like 20 something dollars. So at least you're not wasting that much money. But still, you could have bought something else. I'm just saying. But anyway, so that was basically it. The tangling was horrible. It even started to mat a little bit. The hair, I feel like the shedding wouldn't have been as bad if it wasn't for how tangled the wig got. I will say that. I feel like the shedding was a minimum, but the fact that I kept having to brush through the hair to get it untangled made more hair come out. So I will say that shedding isn't that bad, but tangling is a hot mess. So I would definitely rate this wig maybe like I would rate it like a 4 out of 10, just because again, it's not like I'm gonna throw this wig away. I'm gonna be able to use it as a workout wig. It lays super flat with no got to be glue gel, and it's not super bulky because my ears aren't like this, looking like elf ears. Like, they're somewhat fine. So found one pro out of all the cons that I have with this unit. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, or at least valued my opinion, please don't forget to like the video, thumbs up, give me a comment letting me know your thoughts. Maybe you guys had the wig yourselves. Let me know if you guys had a different experience or what you guys did to personally make this unit a bit more manageable for you. I do know that some people like to use laundry detergent and stuff like that to kind of revive their wigs. But for me, if I feel as though that I got to do that after the first week, the wig's just a no-no in general. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again to your girl down below. And I will see you guys in my next one.